Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat app on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to use QR code to log in successfully to your WeChat account on your PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your WeChat icon on your desktop. Go ahead and press Enter key on your keyboard. And then once you press Enter key on your keyboard, you are going to see a display QR code right here asking you to scan to. Now, if you have not downloaded WeChat app on your PC before, what you need to do, let me quickly walk you through on how you can download. So just go to your browser and go ahead and make sure you type in WeChat and I hit enter, and then make sure you click on the first result right here, WeChat.com, and it's going to take you right here. Now here you have to download, whether if you are using Mac, go ahead and download Mac options. If you are using Windows, go ahead and download from Microsoft Store. So click on here if you are using Windows, and it's going to redirect you to where you need to download the setup right here. So just go ahead and click on download right here, or you can check it on your app on your Play Store on your Windows PC. However, you can as well download it from the web right here. After a successful download, then you have the icon on your Windows PC right here. Then you can now easily log in with your QR code right here. Now, once you get to this point, the next thing you want to do is to see how we can use our QR code to log in successfully to this particular WeChat account without any stress. I'm going to go ahead now and bring out my phone, scan this QR code, and connect straight up to my WeChat account on this particular PC. Let's find out. All right, so the very first thing we want to do right here on our phone, we want to make sure we open up our WeChat app on the phone. After you open up WeChat app on your phone, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Discover right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we click on Scan right here. So click on Scan. After you open up the scan, next thing we want to do is to position the scan on the PC screen, just like so, and it's going to instantly scan the QR code. Once it scans the QR code, you have to wait for connection. Then go ahead and click on Auto Synchronize Messages to back up all your messages to PC. Then go ahead and click on Login. And just like so, you will be successfully logged into your WeChat account on your Windows PC, just like what you see right here. So you can see everything now is being connected. It's that simple. Just like so. Then if I go ahead and check on my notification right here, you have the notification message official. So just allow everything to load. You can see it's loading 100%. And then from the home page right here on my phone, you see that logging into WeChat for Windows, you can see a notifications right here. It's that simple. Now it has been successfully logged me in. Enhance user experience with a unified UI design, window mark, and more. Post to moment, view friends moment, pin content in moment, switch between dark and light mode, and font adjusted as the case may be. So go ahead and click on here to close the pop-up. Now you have your WeChat app in your PC without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use your WeChat on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.